A stuffy nose is very common in babies, especially during colds, allergies, dry weather, or seasonal changes. Because babies mostly breathe through their noses, even a little congestion can make feeding, sleeping, and breathing uncomfortable. Here are some simple and effective methods to clear a baby's stuffy nose and help your baby feel better quickly. Saline nasal mist gently clears baby's stuffy nose by loosening mucus and moisturizing drier nasal passages for easier breathing. Lay your baby on their back and gently spray a small amount into each nostril. This softens the mucus, helps flush it out, and clears congestion. It is drug-free and safe for daily use in newborns, making breathing easier and helping improve feeding and sleep. A nasal aspirator gently clears your baby's stuffy nose by safely removing mucus, easing congestion, and improving overall comfort. It comes with a spray tank, soft silicone tips, multiple suction heads, and a built-in cleaning brush. The spray function gently moistens and loosens mucus. With 9 adjustable suction levels, it effectively clears nasal passages while keeping your baby calm and comfortable. Its soft, baby-safe tip helps clear nasal passages, making breathing easier and reducing discomfort. This aspirator ensures hygienic and safe nasal care and reducing stuffy nose discomfort. Dry air can make nasal congestion worse. A humidifier diffuser helps clear your baby's stuffy nose quickly by adding gentle moisture to the air and easing congestion. Its cool mist keeps nasal passages moist, loosens thick mucus, and makes breathing easier, especially during sleep. You can use the diffuser with baby-safe essential oils for added comfort and a calm, soothing environment. Running it in your baby's room during naps and bedtime can reduce congestion and help your little one rest more comfortably. You can use a bulb syringe to quickly clear your baby's stuffy nose by gently suctioning out mucus blocking airflow. Gently squeeze the bulb before placing it at the opening of the nostril, then slowly release it to remove congestion safely. This gentle method helps your baby breathe more easily, especially before feeding or sleep. Regular use can provide fast relief from nasal congestion and improve your baby's overall comfort. Steam can naturally loosen mucus and make breathing easier. Give your baby a warm bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps open nasal passages and provides quick relief from stuffiness. Keeping your baby hydrated is very important. Breast milk or formula helps thin mucus and keeps their airways clear. Staying hydrated helps the baby feel better and prevents dehydration. With gentle care, patience, and the right methods, you can quickly clear your baby's stuffy nose and help them breathe comfortably.